So in today's lesson, everybody should have to open the page number 14. Everybody should have to open the page number 14, and we are doing our chapter, the computer hardware. Okay, for class 2. Everybody should have to open the page number 14. Everybody should have to open the page number 14 in the computer book. Okay. On the page number 14, we will do some exercises of the previous pages in this period, but we will also see the page number 14. So everyone should have to open page number 14. Once you are at the page number 14, we will start a lesson. Okay, when you open the page number 14, the topic is saying keyboard. The topic is saying keyboard. Keyboard is used to enter data into the computer. Okay, how we can enter data? The keys, there are keys. Where are the keys? The keys are at the keyboard. There are so many keys on the keyboard, and the keys tell the computer what to do. Because if we are typing with the help of keys, we tell the computer with the help of keys that what computer have to do. So keyboard is used to enter the data into the computer. There is one more device which is used to enter data, it's mouse. But right now we are discussing about the keyboard. Right now we are discussing about the keyboard. Okay. Then after keyboard, how keyboards look like? Okay, let me go to next screen. Okay, if you see my screen, the keyboards look like this. Okay, everybody use the keyboard, and keyboard contains many keys. Keyboard contains many keys. There are alphabet, numbers, and punctuation keys. There are alphabet, numbers, and punctuation keys. Okay, what these keys are doing, let me tell you one thing. Let me tell you one thing, that these keys are used to type alphabet, numbers, and punctuation keys. Let me tell you what are the alphabet keys. Okay, so two students are there. Let me add them first, and then we will continue our lesson. Okay, now what these keys are? See, let me show you by drawing a box. Okay, so the keys from this Q, A, Z, X, C, V. Okay, all of these keys, M, all these keys are what? These keys which are in red, these keys which are in red are the alphabets keys, because they are alphabets from A to Z. A to Z, these are the alphabet keys. And where are the number keys? Okay, let me change the color of my pencil. Then I will show you that how where are the number keys. So number keys are here. Number keys are here. Okay, number keys are there at the top. At the top, here are the number keys. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So these are the number keys. And where are the punctuation keys? Okay, punctuation keys are basically comma, dot, question mark. Okay, so all these are punctuation keys. Where are they? Where are they? Let me add them. There are 4 students. Okay, let me add them. Okay, where are those keys? These keys are there. See, on the right side, on the right side, on the right side, there are some keys. Where are the keys? Let me change the color of my pencil. Here are the keys. These are the punctuation keys. See, the keys in the yellow. The keys in the yellow. It's a comma, dot, question mark, slash. Okay, there are so many brackets. These are the punctuation keys which is showed in the yellow. So in the blue you have a number keys. In the blue you have a number keys. Where are the number keys? This one are the number keys. Okay, where are the alphabets? Alphabets are in the red. Okay, and where are the punctuation keys? Punctuation keys are there. So in this way, there are some keys available on the keyboard. There are some parts on the keyboard through which we can type different types of data. Through which we can type different types of data. So there are alphabets, there are numbers. Everybody knows what are alphabets. Alphabets are A, B, C, D, and numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Numbers are from 0 to 9. Number are from 0 to 9. So all the numbers are there. Okay. Some people will say there are more numbers on the right side, but these are the number keys, but it's not a number keys. It comes under the another section. We will see it in the next class. Okay, I will tell you this thing. What are the numbers? So everybody understand this thing? Everybody understand these three different keys? That number keys, alphabet, and punctuation keys. Everybody understand it? Okay. Yes. Everybody understand it?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Yes, Saud. What are you saying? Saud.
Where page number what?
Page number 14. We are at the page number 14. Let me write the page number here so that everyone can see. We are at the page number 14. And today date is 12, 10, 20, and 20. What is the date? Day today? It's Monday. So I wrote it here so that everyone can see we are at the page number 14 and it's a chapter number 2. So, so these are the three sections which we see on the keyboard: alphabets, numbers, and punctuation keys. You use comma, you put dot. So all these are the punctuation keys. Okay. So let now move. Let me rub the screen. Then we will move towards the next thing. Okay, before going forward, uh, who's the Ilyas? Ilyas, you want to say something? Ilyas,
يلا قل لا I want to answer.
I want answer.
what answer? There is no question right now. Ilyas, okay. Mohammad Asad, you want to say something? You raise the hand, Mohammad Asad. You want to ask or say something? Sharif, yes, Sharif, you raise the hand. What's your question?
Yeah, that's a that's a giant keyboard. The giant keyboard.
Yes, we are
It's
talking about
so
the
big.
keyboard. We are talking about the
Yeah,
keyboard.
but it's so big.
Your voice is not coming clear. I think your mic is not.
I say it's so the keyboard is so big.
Okay, I heard only two words from you. The keyboard is, I don't know what you said. Okay, Mohammad Farooq. Yes, Mohammad Farooq, what do you want to say?
What is it? Do we just have to tell her or just leave the pace?
What are you saying, Mohammad Farooq? Kindly say it slow.
I said, do we have to tolerate?
Do we have to what?
Tolerate.
No, no, not right now. Not right now. Not right now. Not right now. I will tell you one thing. Not right now. Okay. So we discussed about the three things: alphabet, numbers, and punctuation keys. Let me rub it. Let me rub the colors and now move to the next screen. Okay. There are some also special keys that perform special jobs. Where are the special keys? Where are the special keys? Okay. Did you everyone see everyone see the arrow keys? If you see in your book, if you see in your book on the page number 14, on the page number 14, there are some arrow keys. There are some arrow keys, and up above the arrow keys there are some special keys. I am telling you the name on the page 15, on the page number 15 on your book. Everybody should see their book. On the page number 15 there are some arrow keys. The arrows are up, down, left, and right. Okay, so there are some arrow keys. Up above the arrow key, there are six keys: insert, home, page up, delete, and page down. These six keys are special keys. These six keys are special keys, and They perform the special task. Okay, what those tasks are, we will see them in the later subjects, in the later chapters. So but these keys are the special keys. As we see three keys: number keys, alphabets keys, and we see punctuation keys. Now we are seeing the special keys. There are six special keys. They are above the arrow keys. Okay, so now we are moving towards the next. We are moving towards the next. If you see the enter key of keyboard, the enter key of keyboard, there is an enter key of the on the keyboard. The enter key is used to enter data and move cursor to the next line. Where is the enter key? Where is the enter key? If you see, there is an enter key. Okay, let me show it. Where is the enter key? Here it is. Here is the enter key. This key is used to give the spaces. Okay, how they are give to space? The space in the form of line. The space is given in the form of lines. Okay, because if you want to give space after each word, you use space bar. You use space bar. But if you want to give space of a one line, means you are typing one word. Let's suppose I'm showing you example. Let's suppose here I am typing. Okay, I am typing computer. Computer. I want to go to next class. I want to go to new line or the next line. Then I have to press the enter. I press enter, I go to next line. Okay, then I type class. If I want to go to next line, I again press the enter. In this way, the cursor, the blinking cursor, the eye which is blinking, is basically moving to the next line. Okay, if I want to give space, then I have to press space bar. Okay, I give press space bar, it's giving a space. So enter is used to give or change or cursor to the next line. If give or change the cursor to the next line, give a space of a one line by pressing enter. With the help of enter, we change the line. We change the line, move the cursor to the next line. Okay. So in this way, we enter the data in the computer and we also move the cursor to the next line. What is the cursor? Okay, let me show you. See, right now I didn't type anything. If you see my screen, I didn't type anything. Right now there is eye. There is eye which is blinking inside, which is blinking inside the text box. I typed computer. I typed computer. I typed computer, and now cursor is blinking at the end of R. After the R, cursor is blinking. I press enter. I press enter. Now cursor move to next line. This is the cursor which is in the text box. Okay, so let me clear it. Let me clear this word so that we will move towards the next thing. Okay, let me move. Okay, someone is saying something. Okay, let me add. There is a student. Okay, yes, Abdul Aziz, you want to say something?
Sir, like my computer Arabic, how can I do my computer English?
Kindly repeat your sentence. Repeat your question, please.
I see my computer like Arabic, how can I do my computer English?
Oh, you want to change the language of your computer. You want to change the
Yes,
language of your computer. You are saying this thing.
yes.
Okay, okay. I am telling you the answer for this question in a fast manner so that we will continue with the lecture. Okay, if you want to change your language in your computer, there is an option. There is an option. If you are using Windows 10, if you are using Windows 10, then on the left or on the right side, if right now the language of your computer is Arabic, then on the left side, and if your language is any other language than the English, then on the right side there is an option en in the taskbar. In the taskbar where you also see the time, there is an option. It will show you AR. In Arabic, they are show you AR. Click on that AR, and it will give you the option to change the keyboard to English. Okay, and if you are not using the Windows 10 and you are using another window, so what you have to do, you have to open the search bar on the start menu. Okay, right now I am using Windows 8. So there is no search bar, there is no start menu in this. So I will not show you how to open on the Windows 8.1, okay, because it is not possible to show you this thing on it. But on Windows 10 it's very much easy. There is an option AR, it's shown on the taskbar along with the timer. Okay, so you click on it and change the keyboard. It's the easiest way. Okay, if you didn't open it, then you can also send me the question in the mail. I will share you the screenshot how to change it. Okay, so uh, Abdul Aziz, understand Abdul Aziz?
Yes.
Okay, if you find any difficulty, you can send me the question in the mail. I will share the screenshot with you so that you can solve the problem. Okay, so now back to the topic. Now let me clear the screen first. Okay, so we discussed about there are some special keys that perform the special task. Then we discussed about the enter key. Now we discussed about the backspace key. Okay, what is the backspace key? What is the backspace key? The backspace key is doing what? The backspace key is doing what? It's a backspace key. When we type anything, okay, when we type anything and we mistakenly type anything wrong, what happened? When we mistakenly type anything wrong, for example, I type computer. Okay, I type computer and instead of R, I type A. So I have to rub it. How I can rub it? The key in the red box shows it will rub the typing. Okay, I click here and press backspace. Now it's cleared. Okay, in this way, the backspace key is used to erase data, to rub data. Okay, then the next key is shift keys. Where are the shift keys? If you see in the computer, I make them a blue in color. There are two shift keys, the left shift key and the right shift key. These keys are work together. These keys cannot work together alone. Alone, they are doing nothing. But along with the shortcut, let's suppose if you press shift and any other key, then it will do some task. Let's suppose you have car. Let's suppose you have also the key of car. So the key of car will not work. You need car for this. Okay, if you have car and you don't have key, then car will not work. So you need both things. Okay, car without the key will not work and key without the car will not work. In both cases, both needs each other. So in the same way, these keys, the shift keys, need other keys to work. How they work? We press the shift key. We press the shift key and a letter key together to type the letter in capital. For example, let me show you. For example, I type computer. I type computer. I want to make U, COMPU. I press shift and then I press U. Now U become capital. Okay, I didn't press the caps lock. I press shift U, it become capital. Now in this way you can make things type capital with the help of shift. Okay, we press what? We press the shift key and a number key together to type a symbol. Where are the symbols? There are some symbols. Where are the symbols? Let me show you. On the number keys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. If you press the shift, I press the shift, I press 1. Now 1 is not appeared, it's the exclamation sign. I press 2, it's at the rate. Then 3, I press 3. Then I press 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. So if I press them without shift, it would be like this. So if you press shift and 1, it become exclamation bar. Shift and 2, it become at the rate. In this way, the shift is working. With the help of shift, you can do or type many other words. Okay, so we turn the caps lock key on to type a word in capital letter. Where is the caps lock key? So where is the caps lock key? The key of caps lock key is on the left side, is there. The caps lock key is on the left side, is there. The caps lock key is on the left side, is there. Okay, the caps lock key is on the left side. Why we use it? Okay, see, I typed the word class. I typed the word class. The word is right now S is a small. I want to make A capital. I tap the key caps lock, and now I am typing AS, and again press the tab, it's off. Now A and S is capital. This key is used to make the words capital. For example, I tap the key caps lock and I type class. The whole letter, the whole word is in capital. Okay. The big words, the capital words, now with the help of caps lock is done. Okay. Then moving toward, let me clear the screen first. Okay. So there is one more key. There is one more key. Where is one more key? The escape key. The escape key is used. Where is the escape key? Okay. There is a escape key to cancel or stop what is happening on the computer. What is happening on the computer? There is escape key. Where is the escape key? Let me show you. Okay. Let me draw a picture. Here is the escape key. On the left topmost corner, you have a escape key. There is a left topmost corner. There is a escape key. There is a escape key on the left topmost corner. Why we use this key? Because this key can cancel or stop the thing which we are doing. Okay, for example, we are playing a game. The game will be stopped or paused. So this key work differently. This key work differently in each and every software. Okay, while typing, this key will do nothing, but in game, this key will do different things. Okay, while watching video, this key perform different tasks, but this key will do or stop some execution or any task. Okay, so everybody done? Everybody understand this thing? One thing I want to share with you. One thing I want to share with you. Always give breaks, intervals to your eyes while using computer. These breaks give rest to your eyes because your eyes will be tired continuously seeing by the computer screen. Always try to give the rest to your eyes by giving the small breaks. For example, if you are using the computer for a long time, means for 1 hour or 2 hour, so give rest of 5 minutes or 10 minutes for your eyes so that your eyes will be get relaxed. Okay, everyone understand this thing? Everyone understand this thing? Everyone, okay, let me unmute all of you so that you guys can. Okay, everyone understand this thing?
Yes, I finished page number 12.
Okay,
I finished it at home.
okay, okay. Amal, you are saying something, Amal? Yes, Amal.
Yes.
You raise the hand. What you want to say? Okay. Now, okay. Sharif. Okay, Rafiq. Rafiq, you want to say something?
No.
Okay. Okay, okay. Mohammad Hatim. Mohammad Hatam.
What?
You want to say something, Mohammad Hatam? You raise the hand.
No.
Okay. Okay. So everyone should have to open the page 12. Everyone should have to open the page 12. If you done the page 12, then it's okay. But we didn't do the page 12 in the class. We are doing this right now. Everybody should have to open the page. Everybody should have to open the page 12. Everybody should have to open the page 12. Okay. Everybody should have to open the page 12. Okay. On the page 12, there is a question. There is a question. The question is saying, unscramble the letters and write the names of the computer hardware. Unscramble the letters and write the name of the computer hardware. Unscramble the letter and write the name of the computer hardware. Okay. So the first word is written over there. The first word is a monitor. The first word is a monitor. It's Monitor. Monitor. It's a monitor. Everybody should have to write this on the page number 12. Page number 12. Now we are doing the page number 12. Let me write here the page number 12. Everybody should have to write the spelling. Okay, so you have to make the correct spelling so that you will understand that what is the word is there, what is the word is there. And then there is a word monitor. On the page number 12 there is a second word, it's MSTY SE MY MSTYSE TNUI MSTYSETNUI. Okay, there's a second word. The second one word is saying, what is the second word? Okay, let me show you the answer. So that it's a system unit. Okay, the complete computer. Okay, like CPU, mouse, keyboard and monitor is a system unit. So okay, so it's a system unit. It's SYSTEM unit, system unit. Okay, then the third one is saying, then the third one is saying, the third question is saying, let me move to the third. The third one is the mouse. Okay, if we move the change the spelling or if we unscramble the letters, it becomes the mouse. The right answer for the question is MOUSE. 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 It's a mouse. Okay. Then we have the last word. It's a keyboard. It's a keyboard. Okay. We discussed this thing. We discussed the topic today. Our topic is keyboard. It's KEY. Key. KEY key, because there are so many keys on the board. So it's a keyboard. It's KEY BOARD. KEY BOARD. Okay. So the first answer is monitor. The second one is system unit. The third one is mouse. The fourth one is keyboard. Okay. Okay. Let me show you. Let me show you some keys. Let me show you some keys. We discussed some keys on the, okay, we discussed some keys on the page number 14 and 15. We discussed some keys. Okay, we discussed some of the keys. Okay, what are the keys we discussed? We discussed about the alphabet key. Okay, we discussed about the alphabet key. We discussed about the number keys. We discussed about the punctuation keys. Okay, then we discussed about the enter key. Okay, then we discussed about the shift key. We discussed about the shift key, and then we discussed about the caps lock. We discussed about the caps lock key, and then we discussed about the escape key. Okay, so these are the some keys which we see, and we also see the special key. We also see the special key. Where are the special keys? They are above the arrow keys. Okay, so we see some of these keys. What these keys are? We see the alphabets keys. Where are the alphabets keys? Okay, so let me show you the alphabets keys again so that you will get the review of the lesson. So these are the alphabets keys. They are there. Okay, alphabets, only alphabets are there. It's A to Z. 26 keys are there in the alphabets. Okay, then we have a number key. Where are the number keys? Okay, so number key is there. Number key is there. It's from 1 0 to 9, means 1 to 0. All the 10 keys are there. Okay, then we have a punctuation keys. They are above the arrow keys. Okay, they are above the arrow keys. There are 6 punctuation keys. The picture which I am showing, it contains more keys because there are different kinds of keyboards available, but you will see the picture on the page number 15. Above the arrow keys there are 6 keys: insert, delete, page up, page down, home and end. Okay, then we see what are the punctuation keys. Let me show you. These are the special keys. What are the punctuation keys? Punctuation keys are these. Okay, let me change the color of the pencil so that you will see. Okay, it's comma, it's dot, and it's question mark. There is one more comma. Okay, so these are your punctuation keys. Brackets, all these things are come under the punctuation keys. Then then you have an enter key. Where is the enter key? Let me change the color again. So the key in the yellow is basically an enter key. Why we use this key to press it and to change the line. Okay, if you want to change the line by typing, it's a enter key. Where are the shift keys? Let me change the color again. So where is the shift key? There are two shift keys, one on the left and other is on the right. So these are the two shift keys available. Alone they are doing nothing, but with the help of the combination, they can change the words. For example, if I press shift and then I press 1, then 1 will not appear, some other characters will appear. Okay, and where is the caps lock? Where is the caps lock? Caps lock is in on the left side. It's there. It is used to make the letters capital. Okay, and then there is the last key we discussed. It's a escape key. What does escape key do? It's stop or stop the execution or cancel the action which is going on right now. But remember one thing, it will work differently in each and every software. Okay, so we see about something about the keyboard. We discuss these things in the next class also. We discuss these things in the next class also. I will ask some verbal questions. I will ask some verbal questions in the live class of a class era for these keys. Okay, I will ask some questions in the live class for the in the class era. I will ask these questions verbally in the class for the keyboard, and you will have to answer. We will discuss these things in the class once more so that you will get more grip on the keys. Okay, so the class period timing is over. Yes, Muhammad Abdul Rahim, you want to say something? Okay, Saud, you want to say something?
Sir, I don't have a question. I leave.
Okay, okay. Ali Nizar, you want to say something?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can I leave?
Yes, the period is over. Okay, there is one assignment for you guys. There is one small assignment for you in the class era. There is one assignment for you in the class era. So you have to spare the 1 or 2 minutes for the assignment. Everybody should have to do the assignment. It's available there. Okay, the period is over. We will meet in the next class, inshallah. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, everyone.